Welcome to How to Pronounce. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new word that you might find challenging or intriguing. So without further ado, let's dive into today's word,
Bella ciao.
which means a partisan song from World War II in Italy, often associated with the anti-fascist resistance movement. Let's say it all together.
Bella ciao.
One more time.
Bella ciao.
Now let's split the word into syllables and then pronounce each syllable one by one.
Bella ciao.
Thank you for joining us on this adventure in pronunciation. Remember, language is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, experimenting, and expanding your linguistic horizons. We'll see you next time.